You know when you just discover something and you're really excited about it? Let me pull it up for you guys. This is oat milk. I'm sure a lot of people drink oat milk already. It's milk. It's not dairy milk. For those of you who don't know, this is milk made from oats. This is not an ad. This is just an organic brand. I got organic because I heard that oats have a lot of if they're not organic, they have a lot of additives in them and stuff. So I got the organic. A good appetite suppressant. But I want to tell you what I noticed. Apart from this tasting so good, it's delicious, yani, because we all, like, a lot of people say, and it's been proven a lot, that dairy is not good for you. This works as a really... I'm one of those people who wakes up really hungry. So, and when I wake up, I need to eat. And after I eat breakfast, I have to have a big lunch. This helped me so much control my appetite because I'm home. All I do is eat. I noticed that for me, I don't know about everyone else, this really, really helps with that. So I've been eating less. I like it because I traveled a lot recently. I've been eating out a lot and I gained a few kilos. Now I need to know what I'm gonna do with these roots because my roots grow in really fast. I'll just show you my hair. I love the roots a lot when they first started coming out, but I feel in about a week I'm not gonna be able to go much longer with how long my hair is growing or how fast. And I'm also not very comfortable to go into any salon or any public place and dye my hair. So I'm about to start looking really, yeah, I don't know what the word is. I posted a video and it was a recap from Fashion Month. And as a person, yani, I just want to say, normally I'm very grateful. Even when things are bad, it's in my nature to always thank God, to say alhamdulillah, to have a positive outlook. It's something I developed in my personality, yani, a couple of years ago. I worked on it. I wasn't born positive. It's something I worked on through meditation, through self-awareness, through analyzing things. What I noticed when I posted the video and when I watched it, it's on my page now, is that during those moments of me going to dinners, just jumping in the taxi, going to a show, putting on like an outfit that I love, putting on my makeup, I didn't appreciate it enough. It wasn't enough. And khalas, we get used to having our health and we get used to having access. We get used to just jumping on the plane or here. Thank God, even for this, for myself, quarantine, for the quarantine, for every moment, even now I don't want to complain. Or even being able to call someone or walking into a hospital and making sure that a good doctor can see you. We get so used to these blessings, and wow, I'm so happy that now I'm on lockdown and I can literally sit. Dad and my mom always taught me, if you want blessings and if you want good things in life, the secret is appreciation, gratitude. When you're in a state of appreciating the trees, the sky, the sound of the birds, your friends, just any small encounter, you attract so much more goodness into your life. وهالحين صراحة I'm not enjoying watching all the complaints about 2020. Oh, it's the apocalypse. Oh, 2020 is terrible. Because خلاص, we should learn. We already did this enough about 2019. It didn't help. I just don't like hearing it, and I really think that we should just all calm down, stay focused, trust in God, pray, appreciate what you have now, even if it's not what you want. I feel إني قاعدة أتفلسف عليكم because I don't like to preach. But really, guys, I remember, for me personally, 2019 was not the best year. It was amazing for a lot of things, but I went through a health situation with a member in my family that scared the shit out of me. So I can say 2019 was terrible because it was something very unexpected. But it wasn't. It was great. things happen. Things happen every year. Things happen in 2017. Things happen in 2020. Let's just appreciate. God bless Anjad, everybody really going through stuff. People in the hospitals, the people in Italy, the people in China who just recovered from something so difficult, the people in famine, the people in war. Allah يساعد كل الناس. Wallah. يعني I know some people are looking at this thinking, oh Ola, it's so easy for you to just appreciate. They're right. يعني you're home, you're safe. Allah, it's true, it is. But يعني I don't know. I'm just wishing everyone all the best. I hope people in worse situations can be better, and I hope, I just hope that the tone changes, because for things to get better, I think us as humans, we need to change our tone, and yeah. Also, for everyone saying that we shouldn't be posting, a lot of people still don't understand that this is our job. This is literally my full-time job, just like how you guys still go to the office or you're working from home, you're on your laptops. It's my job. This is my work. خلاص يعني I'm gonna post, and if you're not enjoying it, just unfollow me. Like, I'm here, I'm with everyone, like I'm going through the same thing. Like, no one is telling magazines to not publish their magazines. No one's telling TVs, oh hey, stop putting funny shows or stop broadcasting your, I don't know, like, this is whatever. The whole thing of like people being overly sensitive from influencers or bloggers or whatever you want to call them is getting a bit old. Like, it's 2020, just get over it. Khalas, no one cares. No, influencers are this, like, khalas, it's annoying. Or they're all dumb, or they're so petty, they're running around. Like, stop. So many influencers have so many degrees. So many influencers own so many business. Khalas, like, just stop being so petty. Like, it's, oh my God, I spoke so much today. I spoke so much. Bye.